Welcome to telaHosting. How to verify your domain on Google Search Console using TXT records in cPanel. If you own a website, verifying your domain on Google Search Console is one of the smartest things you can do. Google Search Console is a free tool from Google that helps you understand how your website appears in Google search results. Once you verify your domain, you'll be able to track the keywords people use to find your website, monitor website traffic and impressions, submit sitemaps for faster indexing, fix indexing errors, improve your SEO performance, see mobile usability issues, monitor backlinks, get alerts from security issues, and so on. It helps Google trust your site, track your performance, and index your pages correctly. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your domain using TXT records in cPanel. So first thing you're going to do is to log into your Google Search Console account. If you don't have one yet, go to search.google.com/search-console and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on Add Property. You'll see two options, Domain and URL Prefix. Select Domain because this verifies your entire domain, including all subdomains and protocols. Enter your domain name without HTTPS or www, then click Continue. Google will now generate a TXT verification record for you. This record is what proves that you own the domain. Copy the TXT record provided, don't change anything. Now open a new tab and log into your cPanel account. Inside cPanel, scroll to the domain sections and click on Zone Editor. Locate your domain name and click Manage. This will open your DNS records. Click on Add Record and in the name field, enter your domain name or leave it as default if it autofills. Then choose Add TXT Record. In the TXT value field, paste the TXT record you copied from Google Search Console. For TTL, you can leave it as the default value. Then click Save Record. Once saved, go back to Google Search Console and click Verify. If your DNS record has propagated, you will see Ownership Verified. Congratulations, your domain is now officially verified on Google. If Google doesn't detect it immediately, don't panic. Simply wait a few minutes and click Verify again. Sometimes DNS takes a little bit of time to sync globally. You can now access search performance data, submit sitemaps, and monitor how your website appears on Google. There are several ways to verify your website on Google Search Console, but the TXT record method is one of the most reliable. Common issues and how to fix them. If Google is not detecting your TXT record, this usually means that you added the TXT record to the wrong domain, or DNS hasn't fully propagated yet, or you could have added extra spaces or wrong characters. If your verification fails repeatedly, double check your TXT record and make sure that there are no old or conflicting records. Also, if you use the URL prefix instead of domain verification, then it will fail. The domain method requires DNS verification only, but if you chose URL prefix, you will need different methods like HTML file upload. Verifying your domain on Google Search Console using TXT record is a simple but powerful step towards boosting your SEO and improving your website's visibility on Google. Once your domain is verified, you unlock access to essential data that helps monitor your website performance and make smarter decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more web hosting tutorials. See you in the next video.